Ha! You're on video, bitch!
Hi. What are you doing?
No! Hey. No! Hey. Popper. Popper. She recently just scratched my eye. Very badly. See, look. I don't know if you can see it, if it's too bright. But yeah, you can see it. That's what little Miss Nala did. Didn't you, Miss Nala? You sure did.
The puppy.
Puppy. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, how do you like the spotlight being on you, huh? What are you doing? The camera's been there the whole time. I know. Not even paying attention. Doggy. Are you done now? Nope. Oh. I think she's done.